All right, my pal Grover Norquist, president and founder of Americans for Tax Reform, has been fighting for a capital gains tax that eliminates the inflation. Just index it for inflation. Lord knows, for about 4 decades, I have been fighting for it. Newt has been fighting for it. Forbes has been fighting. Everyone's been fighting for it. So, Grover, welcome back to the show. Now the question is, why won't the Republicans go for it, for heaven's sakes? And they'll wind up making money on it. They always do. Yeah, we always do.
Well, this is now up to the president and the secretary of the Treasury. Congress theoretically could do this, but you have a 1 or 2 vote margin in each house. This can be done by executive order, by rulemaking at Treasury. Both the Treasury Secretary and the president have pointed that out. And all you have to do is say, you know what, we're not going to be taxing inflation. It is wrong to tax inflation when somebody sells their home or their investment stock or their small business or their farm. We ought not to be damaging people. When the government creates inflation, they shouldn't profit off inflation. And the great news is this is important for everybody, because there are 30 million people who file and have capital gains each year, 30 million. 3/4 of them earn less than $200,000 a year. These are IRS numbers that have just come out, government numbers. 3/4 earn less than $200,000. This affects many, many millions of Americans. If you're young and you want to buy a house, you don't go to the bank. You have stocks that you've bought over the years. That's where your money is. When you sell them, do you really want to pay taxes on Joe Biden's inflation to be able to, begin to buy a house?
Well, you'd get an unlocking effect on homes, for example. I mean, it's hard to sell because the capital gains bill is so high because of the inflation. You're exactly right. I mean, the inflation hasn't been great over the past 25 some odd years, for that matter. And in the Biden years, it was even worse. But that's the point. If you want more homes on the market to pick up the housing story, which has been soft, why not try this? That's the point. I would sell